Are you a victim of ragging or are you involved in it? Be cautious because the government has a big plan. CM Mohan Maji's government has stepped up its efforts to curb ragging in higher educational institutions. CM Mohan Maji's government has stepped up its efforts to curb ragging in higher educational institutions, directing colleges and universities to put effective anti-ragging measures in place before the 2026-27 academic session begins. The move aims to ensure a safe and supportive environment for students and across the state. The Higher Education Department has directed the registrars and principals of all higher educational institutions to set up and make their anti-ragging committees, anti-ragging squads and monitoring cells fully functional. The institutions have been asked to ensure that these bodies remain active and take prompt action to prevent and address cases of ragging. Under the guidance of the Chief Minister, institutions have also been asked to set up or reconstitute internal committees wherever necessary in accordance with the law to prevent and effectively address cases of sexual harassment on campus. To address students' concerns quickly and effectively, higher educational institutions have been directed to strengthen their grievance redressal committees, student service centers, as well as mental health and counseling services.
जिस तरह से हमारे R1 बच्चों पे R1 ने लिख के दिया कि हमारे पे बहुत अत्याचार हो रहे थे, रैगिंग हो रहा था, हमें डांटा जा रहा था, हमें वर्बल अब्यूज़ किया जा रहा था, मेंटल हैरेसमेंट किया जा रहा था। तो इस तरह की घटना जैसे ही हमारे पास आई और जो डॉक्टर हर्षद पंड्या हैं उनके पिताजी ने भी हमें कंप्लेंट लिख के दी, तो कल रात को हमने अर्जेंट बेसिस पे 8 बजे हमारी कमेटी की मीटिंग बुलाई। उसमें हमें ये पता चला है कि ये 4 R2 जो थे ये R1 का रैगिंग करते थे। ये कई बार उनको अलग से बुला के उनको 1-1.5 घंटे तक उनको डांटते रहते थे और इस तरह का बिहेवियर उनका 1 हफ्ते 10 दिन से चल रहा था।
The initiative is aimed at strengthening student safety and creating a secure and supportive academic environment across higher educational institutions in Odisha. Registrars, principals, and heads of institutions have been directed to implement these measures within 7 days of receiving the department's letter. The Higher Education Department has also made it clear that all committees, squads, and cells must be fully operational before the start of the 2026-27 academic year. This will ensure that students have proper channels to raise concerns and receive timely support when needed. The government of Odisha cares about the safety of students for their physical and mental well-being. The future of a nation are not only students, but institutions that promise safe learning and live up to expectations. So be cautious if you are ragging. I am Satvisha Jana and this is India Connect.